Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So I didn't do an intro for this vlog, but this was basically my last weekend off, and I did start off the Saturday with just working out and cleaning, and then kind of fell off because my camera died. So you're gonna just see me basically working out and then cleaning my table, and then we'll jump right into Sunday, which was a little bit more of an eventful Sunday. We actually went out with the kids and my brother-in-laws. So yeah, this is gonna be the intro. You're just gonna see a little bit of the workout and then me cleaning, and then at that point my camera basically dies and I give up vlogging for that day. But yeah, I hope you guys truly do enjoy this video, and let's get to it. Got my husband in one of my vlogs. He's more on the conservative side and doesn't really like coming out in my videos. I typically have to convince him. Right here, he gets mortified every time I sing and dance in the car because he's always thinking about what other people are gonna think, or I'm more like chill and I don't really care if people laugh at me. So I do this all the time, and then he always laughs like, oh my god babe, please stop. And I'm like, I don't care, I'm living my best life type of thing. But yeah, happy I finally got him into a vlog. Why? Yeah, she's had them. And you're wearing your mask upside down. Yes. where all the kids got to play, and I mean all the kids and even the men, because, you know, they're kids. But it was really fun. We don't normally get to go out, and it's honestly partly my fault just because I do get severe anxiety. I have to keep my kids in my point of view at all times. My daughter actually disappeared on me for a while because she was playing hide and seek and I couldn't find her. So it kind of freaked me out, but it was good to get out of the house. I know the kids need it, and so does my husband, so it was really a lot of fun, and I felt a little bit more secure too, knowing that we had so many adults with, you know, 4 kids. So it was a good time. So earlier, my brother-in-law called me a copycatter because, as you can see, he's also recording. My sister-in-law actually does YouTube videos as well, and she currently just reached 10K, so congratulations to her. I'll leave the link to her channel in the description box below in case you guys want to check her out. She does a lot of family vlogs as well, and beauty content too. She is also an LVN and does post like her journey to becoming an LVN on there as well, so feel free to go ahead and check that out. But we had a blast. This is basically like the last footage that we got at the arcade, and then after this we do go to eat. Left the arcade and we're getting ready to go and eat. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Hello.
Juliana and Javi? Javi's hiding.
He's in the bathroom.
Is that a family with the 5 kids?
No.
5 boys. Hey, that could have been us.
Okay, no. I'm good with the 2 we got.
What? What are they saying?
So we're back home. We just finished eating, I guess, lunch, and now we're home. And I think that I haven't shown you guys what we did to the house, so let me show you. I know we went over the table, but I finally got cortinas. I'm like, yay! Look really pretty. The only thing is that I messed up on the measurements. and we hang them where they're too high. So I am thinking about buying some new hooks that are a little bit wider. That way they hang a little bit lower because it's literally just by a little bit. But I like the style of the curtain. And if we come in, it has like, I don't even know what this is called, but I like this detailing. And then I did get these rope ties on Amazon. Actually, everything's from Amazon. So the actual like rails or whatever is from Amazon. The curtains are from Amazon, and these are from Amazon too.
Hey guys, I can almost do this split.
And then I also wanted to show you guys. So I have 3 new plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new plants. So I know you guys have probably seen Henry. Let me show you. This is Henry, but Henry isn't doing so well. So apparently he caught something. I forgot what my friend called it, but essentially it is like a type of fungus. So we're keeping him separated from the other plants, and he's slowly dying. I cut off all the infected leaves, and now this is what we have left. I went from a really big bushy plant to just these now. So hopefully he makes it, but we'll see. My friend Melissa gave me this one, and me and my kids named it Hermione. Yes, after Harry Potter. So most of my plants are going to be named after Harry Potter things, and this one we named Hermione.
Yeah, I named it Hermione.
Then yesterday my husband came home and he surprised me with these 2 plants. Then my son had the idea of calling these 3 Fluffy. If you guys watch the movie, then you know exactly why it's called Fluffy. And then what did we call this one? I forgot.
Logan.
Oh yeah, that's right, because my husband is an X-Men person, and since I was naming my plants after why am I drawing like after Harry Potter stuff, he said that we should name this one after him or something that he likes, which was Logan. I'm going to take you guys outside, and I'm going to be attacked by my dog. So I got 2 more plants, but they're kept outside and I need to water them. So they're 2 Venus flytraps, and they need to get a lot of sunlight. So that's why I'm keeping them outside. I need to get a planter for them though. Ready? Okay, so I had to do a voiceover for this part just because my daughter was like nonstop saying, "No, Buster," because she doesn't like it when he licks her. But these are the 2 Venus flytraps. We do keep them on our fence in the backyard, away from where the dogs can grab them, obviously. And I selected this area because they get plenty of sunlight, which I read that they need about 4 hours of sunlight. And then I have them these little kind of dish trays where I could fill water whenever I notice that they need it. They need to stay hydrated like almost all the time, and they also need stillized water, I think is what it said. So yeah, they're really delicate. So I'm hoping that I could keep them alive.
I got new scrunchies. Both of them are rainbow.
Okay, so I had to voice over that because my dog just don't listen. But anywho, I need to get going. So I'm not sure if this is going to be the end of the vlog or not, but I do need to start filming, otherwise I won't have anything for Wednesday. But if this is the end of the vlog, thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys truly did enjoy this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I am trying to post 2 times a week for the most part. Every Wednesday is every Wednesday is a beauty video, and every Saturday is a shop my stash or a family time vlog, sort of like this one. If that is something that you are interested in, then go ahead and subscribe and join my beauty community here on YouTube. But that is basically it. Until next time. Bye.